It's the end of May in the Philippines, a time for festivals and celebration. All across the islands, from the mountains to the coast, the country bursts into color and joy. It's Flores de Mayo season, a beloved Catholic tradition celebrated in many towns and barangays, especially in the provinces. Throughout May, communities gather to honor the Virgin Mary with flowers, songs, processions, and pageantry. But Flores de Mayo is more than a religious event. It's a time of reunion, laughter, and plenty of food. And today, we're showing you something truly special. This is the preparation of Kalamay, a traditional Filipino sweet made from glutinous rice flour, coconut milk, and brown sugar, sometimes flavored with latique, toasted coconut curds, or ground peanuts. Kalamay is sticky, rich, and deeply satisfying. But Kalamay is more than just a dessert. It's a symbol of togetherness and tradition. In the province, when fiesta time comes, the whole family gathers to cook it together, mixing and stirring in big iron pots over open fire. It's a labor of love, taking hours of stirring to get the perfect texture. Kuya feeds the fire, Lola checks the sweetness, Ada stirs the pot, and even the kids help in wrapping the finished Kalamay into banana leaves or coconut shells. Once cooked, the Kalamay will be shared with guests, visitors, and neighbors during the fiesta celebration, a delicious part of Filipino hospitality. It's sweet, it's sticky, and it sticks to the heart, just like the Filipino way of celebrating life, faith, and family. Fiesta na, let's eat, let's share, and let's celebrate the end of May the Filipino way. Thanks for watching. Have you ever tried Kalamay before? What's your favorite Filipino fiesta food? Don't forget to comment, like, and hit that bell for more stories from the heart of the Philippines. Fiesta na. Tara, kain na tayo.